Just got this in. This is the SKYHUNTER X8 folding drone. As you can see, the arms fold in, the legs fold in. That is the whole drone. This is its transmitter, which looks like an Xbox controller. But that is the drone in its entirety. In fact, this drone is so compact that I could fit it inside my sweatpant pocket. There we go, that's it. The whole drone is right there in my pocket. How about that? And it easily unfolds too. So now this version is the basic version without a camera, without, anywhere to put an SD card. This is just pure line of sight flyer. So that's what we're going to be doing today, some line of sight flying. That being said, let's take a look at the battery. In here we have a 3.7 volt, 650 milliamp hour battery with the micro lossy connector, so you should be able to find batteries for it. The only thing is that the battery's a little odd shape, but the battery bay can be adjusted to fit. Alright, so to start, I'm going to turn drone on. Place it down the landing pad. Now here's the controller. We're turning it on. We're going to do the bind. Typical bind sequence. And we should be able to launch using the L2 button. That's the one key takeoff. And there we go. Now we're in the air. Now, if you want to land, you can also use the R2 button. So I'm going to hold that down for 2 seconds, and we're landing. So that's the one key takeoff and one key landing function. All right, so now let's discuss the L1 and R1 buttons. So the L1 button changes your rates, and the controller indicates it right there. It says M for medium rates, H for high rates, L for low rates. So let's just go over the yaw and these rates. All right, so that's the yaw and the low rate. That's the angle in the yaw in the low rate. Not much of an angle there. But hey, it's supposed to be slow. Now there is the medium rates. Which are pretty speedy. And now we're going to the high rates. Wow. And that is the yaw in the highest rate. So as you can see, even though it's a folding drone, it's a pretty nimble little bugger. Alright, so if you hold the right button in, that's supposed to activate the headless mode. Which does work. And then hold down to disable it. Now we're going to try the one key return. To get to that, you hold down the left stick and it should return, but haven't tested this until today. Okay, so it's not doing much of anything. Nope. Okay, so that's not doing anything for me. Not sure why. Also, on the right stick, if you tap and give it the direction you want to go, it will flip. Could do front flips, forward flips, back flips, right flips, pretty much all the acrobat. Oh, didn't give myself enough clearance there. L2 for launch. Yeah, you gotta give yourself enough clearance if you're gonna do flips like that. It's getting a little... But yeah, it does beautiful flips, as you can see. Alright, so we're all the way up there. We're going to do the R2 button for that self-landing. And it comes in pretty smoothly, actually. There we go. I got it. Perfect. I don't know if we can hand launch because I might expect to be level. Oh, we can. There we go. Oh, I think our battery's done. Yeah, so I'm going to say that's about it for the battery because we keep... Oh, and now the lights are blinking. See that? Yeah. So we got to the end of the battery and it was starting to get weaker. So I'm going to say you're going to get maybe 7 minutes of flight time on this model, which is a little on the low end, but... Again, it is a folding drone, so you're losing some efficiency with these props here for the ability to basically pack it up and make it compact to take it wherever the heck you want to go. So that is it. That is the SKYHUNTER X8 folding drone. I hope you guys enjoyed the review, and as always, have a great day, guys.